Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to analyze XAI token of Sideshift project. So we'll quickly move to the white paper of the Sideshift token XAI, but before that let's get to some basic information about the project. And before that, just make sure that the XAI token which you are looking for is related to the Sideshift project, which is ranking around 930 right now, and not the other side tokens this, because there are many side named tokens right now. So just make sure that what you are looking for here is the Sideshift projects side token. So anyways, now let's get to the basic information, and then we'll quickly move to the white paper of the project and we'll try to analyze that. So market cap is currently around $19 million, 24-hour volume is nearly $250,000. Fully diluted valuation is around 30 million. This is the total supply and this is the circulating supply. Apart from that, this is the chart of the project. So if you are interested in making decisions regarding your investment with the chart, then you can look at the chart as well. This is a long-term graph. So so let's get started with the white paper, and let's first of all move to the website. So basically, no sign up crypto exchange. So basically you probably have to just send the Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever you want to send, and receive whatever you want to receive against that. So receiving address, you will just have to enter the receiving address, and probably you are good to go. So this is very similar to the Shift, which was very old project. I mean, it was in near, I'm talking about 2017 2018. I don't know whether the project is still going or not, but it is very similar to Shift, and it was a very convenient way to exchange your cryptos at that time, and I'm sure that it is very similar to that concept right now. So it is trusted by all these probably Treasure and bitcoin.com and all that. Shift process, select the coins to shift. So of course, first you will have to select Ethereum, then deposit the coin to the address shown, deposit and then receive the swapped coins in your wallet, and you will have to mention the address here. So this is what they are trying to do here right now. At least that's what my understanding is, and probably I am right. So they also have 24/7 customer support, no sign up, which is obviously a very important factor when you want to trade without anonymously, and rapid trading and everything. So this is what it is on the website. So now let's get quickly to the white paper. So the Sideshift.ai introduction. Sideshift.ai is a no sign up cryptocurrency exchange supporting over 50 coins and tokens across multiple blockchains. Users value our focus on privacy, ease of use, and minimizing third party risk, all of which are hard to come by on traditional crypto exchanges, which is a fact. Sideshift.ai has seen continuous growth since its start in 2018, and is now at an average monthly shift volume of 37 million, which is a pretty significant number if you personally ask me, because this is a really good trading volume for a coin ranked on 930, 936 or something like that. 930, so and according to the market cap. But again, let me be clear that it doesn't mean that it can sustain in the longer term, or there is no guarantees. That's what my point is, that because all these projects are very good for users, that's for sure, but from investors perspective, if the investors are not investors will get return, then they will get return only when the project becomes decentralized. So if the community is going to run the project in the longer term, then it creates a long lasting value, and then the project becomes decentralized. So that's why the thing is that you will have to ask the you will have to ask yourself that what is the procedure through which all these things which they are doing right now with such a heavy trading volume, which is a good trading volume. What is the procedure for them to keep the project decentralized? What is the procedure through which they are going to build a decentralized community, because that is going to be the ultimate question to ask. Because if there is no procedure to keep growing a decentralized community, then these projects gradually will face the competition, and then they will lose the value in the longer term. Most cryptocurrency investors think short term, and that's why they do not ask the question of importance of procedure, and that's why they fail. So for example, when it comes to our cryptocurrency project, it is we have a very simple procedure that whoever creates value in the growth of our wallet, which is a simple cryptocurrency wallet, whoever creates value and provides value for the growth of the project will survive, and whoever doesn't, then they will have to gradually leave the community, and that will again be decided by the community. So the process of elimination, process of removing people who are not creating or providing value to the network will be removed by the community only. So the defensive approach, or you can see a negative approach towards existing members, will provoke them to create a better and more sustainable community. So only members who are going to create value to the wallet, going to create value to the network, are going to stay, and other people are going to leave the network. So that is the importance, that's the procedure we are trying to follow, and what these guys are trying to follow is up to you to find out. So the first iteration of Sideshift.ai was created on a sidechain swap tool for Paul Zor's drive chain project. Once a prototype was complete, it became clear that Sideshift.ai could capitalize on competitor inefficiencies and grow with active development, increased functionality, integrations, and expanded asset availability. The core team behind Sideshift.ai has extensive experience working with crypto, and specifically crypto exchanges, since 2012, which is a pretty good thing. So at least they have a team which is very powerful, but again the team is only going to be of handful of people, and handful of people, if they are going to fight against big communities, then they are going to lose, no matter how skilled they are, because ultimately a community which is more decentralized is going to win against any other cryptocurrency project. And especially in this exchange market, where almost every second cryptocurrency projects provide direct or indirect exchange related services, they are going to find difficulties if they do not have a powerful decentralized community. Okay, so now the Sideshift token, XAI was created to be the cornerstone in the Sideshift.ai's current and future incentive programs for users, business partners, and other stakeholders. 25% of Sideshift.ai's revenue is rewarded daily to the stakers of XAI, which gives XAI a tangible and measurable value based on Sideshift.ai's performance. Now again, there is one important question, that who decides that the stakers of the XAI token will have only 25% of the revenue share? Is it possible that the stakers or the community who are holding the XAI tokens, they want 50% or they want 75% of the revenue share? Is there any possibility for that? So if the project is decentralized, then only we can identify whether community is ready with such a small percentage, profit sharing percentage or not, because the thing is that this 25% is probably decided by the existing team member who are probably very skilled to build this project. But is this what the community actually wants? And that's why, if there is a procedure through which the community has been built properly, if there is a good procedure through which a powerful decentralized community is built, then we can truly know whether the community actually is agreeing with this 25% revenue share or not. So that's why I asked the real question, that what is the procedure to build, what is their procedure, the Sideshift.ai's procedure to build a decentralized community. The way we have simple rule that eliminate users in the Telegram group who do not provide value, who do not do daily discussions, just eliminate them. That is our procedure. So we automatically attract people who are genuinely interested in growing the wallet, growing the project. So we have simple procedure, and similarly, what is their procedure is the question one should ask. And why I keep saying the same thing, because I want to simplify the process for everyday investors to by helping them ask one simple question. A question of asking the procedure. What is the procedure? So once you ask this simple question, a lot of doubts, lot of unclear thoughts will get away from your mind, and you will focus on the right question in whatever cryptocurrency project you focus on. Okay, now, so the XAI can be traded on Sideshift.ai directly, alternatively on Balancer, Bittrex, Coinex, or Sushi.com. Well, that's okay. And the token is also obtainable via our staking rewards, our referral program, or via integration commission. So I think this is very easy to understand. Apart from that, let's see the token distribution. Staking rewards are these, undistributed staking rewards are these, fundraising reverse, which is a pretty big number, 30%, view fundraising reserve wallet, you can see here. And apart from that, this is about staking. In July 2022, Sideshift staking moved on chain. By staking XAI, you will receive SV XAI. SV XAI represents the staker's share in the Sideshift staking vault. 25% of Sideshift AI's revenue is distributed daily on XAI to stakers in the staking vault. Please refer to this for detailed info. When the XAI allocation for staking is eventually emptied, staking rewards will continue to be distributed directly from Sideshift AI's revenue to stakers. Still, this will reduce Sideshift AI's net profits, but simultaneously halt the inflow of undistributed XAI, reinforcing XAI's deflationary design. At this point, staking has completed one of its main missions, to distribute XAI amongst users to Sideshift.ai. So basically this means, if you do not understand all this, that's fine. What they are trying to say here is that 25% of the profit will be given to the XAI holders, and SV XAI is nothing but their staking receiving token against the staking. So when you stake your XAI, you will have to have some proof, right, that you have staked certain portion of XAI. So as that proof, you get this SV XAI token. That's what it means basically. But again, I keep saying that this 25% revenue share has to be decided by the community, a decentralized community, not by a handful of people like 5 or 10 people who are skilled developers. They just cannot decide this 25% is correct or not for the community. It has to be decided by the community, and for that community needs and for that community, and you as an investor or as a user need to ask that what is the procedure through which you are going to build up a good decentralized community. That is the question you should keep asking. Now the fundraising part. Sideshift.ai successfully completed fundraising for the seed round of Sideshift token XAI in July 2019. 21.8 million XAI tokens were sold at this price, generating around 800,000 nearly in seed capital. Buyers of this allocation were a selected cohort of industry thought leaders and entrepreneurs. These funds have been used to support this operational cost running this Sideshift project. As a continuation of the seed sale, approximately 11.4 million XAI were sold directly from this allocation to the end user on the Sideshift as an ongoing fundraiser and opportunity for our users to participate. This is now closed, and current shifts including XAI are handled like other coins and tokens, in the sense that Sideshift.ai maintains an inventory of XAI bought in the open market. So what basically means is that now, so this is their just history, that how the tokens were used in the past to raise funds and everything. But right now these tokens are just as any other project or any other crypto which is in the market, and they are just being traded, and that's how the tokens value is driven right now. Of course, the core value will be always driven by the decentralized nature of the project, and of course also the profit they make. But as of now, basically this token is just being traded at the market. That's what they are saying. So it is just the history. You can neglect this part if you want to. It's not that important. Of course, it can be important if this project is heavily decentralized, if they have a very powerful community, and in that scenario these things might matter, but right now I don't think so it has much value to that. So apart from that, founder allocation, 30% of total supply of SAI is allocated to the founders of Sideshift.ai. The founder allocation is the founder's own incentive program. This allocation is initially locked. One third of the allocation, 21 million ZAI, will unlock yearly starting January 1st, 2021. The full founder allocation will be unlocked by January 1st, 2023. Once unlocked, the founder is free to manage his ZAI however he wants. Now you see, so for example, I am shooting this video after 1st January of 2023. So in that scenario, basically these founders, they are not actually, morally obliged to run this project, and that's why the decentralized nature, the community's role becomes very very essential. And you see, they have 30% plus allocation, and they hold more than 30% of the tokens. So now morally they are not obliged, and that's the reason why the nature of decentralized community becomes very very important. That's why you should ask, what is the procedure through which these guys are going to keep the community decentralized, more and more decentralized? As I said earlier, we have a simple procedure of the procedure of elimination. Then how are you going to guys do the same is the ultimate question. Apart from that, sale of Sideshift.ai, it's if a part of if a part or full sale of Sideshift.ai occurs, the proceeds shall be distributed proportionally to the holders of SAI. If such an event occurs, the remaining locked part of the founder allocation shall immediately unlock. Any undistributed SAI remaining specifically within the allocation, Sideshift fundraising and staking reserve shall be omitted when distribution proceeds of sale. Again, they will have to ask the community of at least 1000 people who are dedicated to the growth of the project should decide how this sale of Sideshift.ai or ZAI token is going to be done. If this is done again by the founders or a few team members, then you can say that this project will always be at the risk of being a centralized project. So that's why I keep saying that ask what is the procedure through which the community is going to stay decentralized, more and more decentralized. We use the process of elimination. If you join our community and if you do not provide value, you will be kicked out by the community sooner or later. So if you expect that you are going to just join the community and have the perks of you will think that you will be part of a decentralized community without putting any effort, then you will gradually be kicked out. That's the procedure we are following, or we are going to follow in the future as well. So what is this guy's procedure is the ultimate question. That's why I keep saying that I am simplifying this procedure by helping you ask one simple question. Apart from that, let's see what are other things which they are doing. Other mechanism featuring SAI: refer a human program by inviting others to use Sideshift.ai using the automatically generated referral link. Users are rewarded with 0.5% of the referrals total shift value in SAI. So basically they get 0.5% the commission. That's what I mean, I guess. External partners such as wallets or websites that integrate Sideshift.ai receiver their commission in ZAI. They can then choose to automatically stake ZAI or shift to the desired token once the set amount is accrued. The majority of ZAI is secured in cold storage to greatly reduce associated risk. Sideshift token and Sideshift.ai, the no sign up crypto exchange are not available for use by individuals. So again, this is not important, and I guess these are also not as important as you can imagine. So now the white paper portion is over, and I guess that's what we had in the white paper. And apart from that, this is their website. I hope you loved the white paper analysis which I did for the Sideshift.ai ZAI token. And if you did enjoy, then please hit the like button. Do join the channel by subscribing the channel, and mainly you can join my general Telegram group, and also you can own the NFT and become part of our project by owning the NFT. I will put the link in the description for the NFT as well. If you are going to own the NFT, after owning the NFT, buying the NFT, connect me in the Telegram general group and just confirm that you bought it, and once we verify, you will be transferred to the closed group, where you will have to you can become part of the elimination process, where you will be eliminated if you do not provide any value, and if you keep doing that, you will become part of a very good decentralized community probably in the future. So that's how the things are going to be in our project. So yeah, that's all I have in this video for you, and till I make the next video, take care, bye bye.